P.T. Barnum said, "A sucker is born every minute. Let's see if it's me or this." Ordered this off of Amazon a few days ago. My older guy, let me move this out of the way here. This is one I've had since 93 or 94, somewhere around there. It's made in Taiwan. It works great, or it has worked great, but it's kind of worse for wear now. And I needed another one, so I ordered this one. This is a Engineer, made in Japan, and it is all metal, and seems to be, it's a lot smaller than this guy here. So comparison between the two. So I should be able to operate it one-handed. This one, I have hands big enough to operate this one pretty much one-handed, as long as I move my hand up a bit. So it's not a problem. And this has a hard tip on the end. Looks like stainless, I'm not sure. But it has a silicone piece on it, so you can, silicone tube, so you can get close to it and you won't burn it. So it should get better suction, as they show in the picture there. So let's take it out of the pack and see what it looks like. Okay, so out of the box, here it is. Get an extra tube you can cut. There's one already pre-cut on it. And we'll look here at it closer. And it is very nicely constructed. And that's what you would expect from these Japanese type tools. And let's see. Oh yeah, definitely one-handed. That's easy. So that is nice construction there. Wow. That looks like aluminum there. And what's it got down here on the tube? Oh no, that's just made out of this same metal here. So it looks, I'm not going to take it apart right now, but I do want to try it, so I'm going to set up something to try it. I looked online and I saw, oh yeah, that's on there tight. There's a couple of copies of this. Of course, there's always going to be copies, and they were about $10 cheaper. One a little more, but the complaints I saw on those is the little knob right here, push knob, comes off on them pretty easily. So, and then another one, they complained that it would fly apart. I'm not sure how that would happen, but I guess it did. So, but I'm impressed with the construction here. So I'll set up a soldering demonstration or desoldering demonstration with it and see how it goes. Okay, the first thing I'm going to try to do is remove these pins on this board right here. It's a remote control board for a car. So try that. Stick them down here. Okay, let's see, pin right there. We'll try this one first. So soldering gun here, or gun. I'm not going to use any flux right now. I'm just going to try it without the flux and see what we get. Oh wow. Oh yeah, look at that. Try it again. And one more time. Need to put the gripper on this, but that didn't work. Okay. Oh yeah, that's all. Wow. That is just, that's amazing. It came out. Oh, I always have problems with those, but you can get so close with it. It's out. Wow, cleaned it right out too. That's amazing. I'm going to try to pull this resistor off here next and see how that goes. So there and there. down here. Won't move. And heat it up. Oh yeah, look at there. Oh wow, it's out. Oh, it's out. There we go. Nice, very nice. That's pretty damn good. But I don't think I made a mistake buying it. I'm liking this so far. I mean, the time will tell as I use it more and more. And it may keep me from getting my handheld electric that I have, which works fine. It's just I typically don't use it unless I have a lot to remove. That's why I like the handheld still. But it's pretty good. I think I'm gonna like that a lot. Anyway, have a good day. Well, a little addendum here. I've played with it a little more, and I was able to take the regulator off of this guy. I had already tried a few weeks ago when I made the mistake with the older one, and I took a pad off, or a couple of pads off, you can see there. So did it with this one and worked fine. It was really quick. I even took the socket off, the dip socket off, and I've never had success taking those things off. And it took them right off. And I took all these pin headers off, and they came off nice. There's a regulator. There's the board there. You can see the holes through some of them. So I like it. I mean, I think it was worth almost $30. So Engineer SS-02 solder sucker, made in Japan. Give it a try.